Hello engineers, welcome back. Here I will explain you the procedure for crosshead pin polish. This is the scratches on my pin. You can see this light reflection on the pin which is evenly, and if scratches is there you can see that light is not reflected. The first step in polishing is selecting the paper depending upon the scratch and scoring severity. I am choosing 120. Then second step I am using 180. Then it is 13 micron emery paper. It's a 3M brand, 30 micron. Then it's 15 micron. It's 15 micron paper. Once the polishing is finished, you have to check the surface roughness using the surface roughness tester. Here I am checking the surface roughness around the pin. So where are the scratches was there, we have to check the roughness all over the pin so that it was evenly polished. The acceptable range according to man made technician is 0.05 to 0.10 micron. Thank you engineers for watching. Support me.